Hi, I'm Armin, and welcome to the new TRI GMP compliant cleanroom facility. These are our change rooms to access the cleanrooms. Our cleanrooms are ISO graded. They go through grades B through D. Here we are walking through the lab area. This is the support lab area for the cleanrooms, where you might want to do any kind of prep work to head into the cleanrooms. These support labs also house our GMP compliant fridges and freezers, as well as incubators. Here we've got our GMP autoclave that can be used to essentially sanitize and sterilize all kinds of equipment to go into the clean rooms. And as we walk past here, we've got our isolator, APIS2, and that's a grade A environment. That's for manufacturing aseptically, and then we've got various clean rooms from grade B through to grade C. These rooms are here to essentially help researchers and companies come in and do small batch manufacture of pharmaceuticals.